Welcome to the fourth video in the Ranorex Studio Actions series, User Code Actions. User Code Actions extend the functionality of basic and smart actions. Both the code representation and the user code representation can be opened by double-clicking on them. The code representation is a machine-generated code representation of the recording module. The user code representation is the user code file for the recording module of the user code actions. To view the underlying code of an action, select the action and right-click and view code. The code will open in a new tab. To convert standard actions to user code actions, right-click on Action and click Convert to User Code. The action appears as a user code action with a default method name. Double-click the user code action to view its code in the code editor. You can configure arguments for user code actions in the argument editor or in code. To open the arguments editor, click on the ARGS button. You can name the argument with any name, but best to follow naming conventions. A full list of the available arguments can be found in the user guide chapter which accompanies this video, details of which can be found in the description of this video. Two or more actions can be merged into a single user code action. Select the action you wish to merge and use the context menu to select Merge Items to User Code. Name the user code and press Enter. The code of the actions appears in the code of the new user code action. This video completes the Ranorex Studio Actions video series. The next video series will cover the Ranorex repository.